Hello everyone, and welcome to another Lua tutorial. This one will be about variables and how to edit them, create them, work with them. Yeah, it's going to be a tutorial all about variables. Now, in other languages, you usually have to call something before creating a variable. Like in JavaScript, you'd write var. In Lua, it's rather simple. You just type your name. It could be just a letter, it could be some letters and a number, it could be an underscore, it could be some text with an underscore, more text, some numbers. Anyway, once you have whatever you want for your variable, put equal to set a value to it. And there are two types of values in Lua. There's strings, which have to be surrounded by quotes, and numbers, which could just be any integer or non-integer number. It doesn't really matter. So what we're going to be doing right now is setting a basic variable, which is going to be my name, and it's going to be ends on. Okay, and we're going to just print my name, and then afterwards we're going to change my name by just assigning it with something else, and then print it again. And now we're going to just run this in my IDE, and first it's going to print my first name, it's going to print my second name. Okay, let's go back to our editor. There are many things you can do with variables, and mostly they're just used to store data. And Lua actually has a lot of methods for variables, really, like string, which will get the basic string property. You could string.upper, or string.lower, string.reverse. Anyway, watch. Equals hello world. Common computer code. And string.upper lol. And let's run this, and oh, hold on. Ugh, I forgot to print it. My bad. Print string.upper lol. And of course you'll need two parentheses to rerun this. Much better. Or anyway, there are a lot of things you can use, but for numbers, d equals math, just like how if we used string, you could get all strings variables. Math will get you all math variables. Now let's take our add function from way back when. Okay, and let's make two variables. D equals math.random, which is one of my favorites. You put your first value, which will be the lowest value possible, and the highest value possible, which in this case will be 1337. And D2 is going to be another math.random, which will be from 1 to 666. No, 9001. Alright. Oops. I didn't mean to add that. Add D and D2. This will give us a random number. Oops. Okay. Oops, I forgot to put a space, but we got 6,348. Okay, better. Now, variables can be called inside functions or outside functions, but to make a variable that can only be called in function, you use the term local. And local will turn the value into a nil value once it's no longer being used inside of that block of code. Yeah. And that's really all I've got for now is info on variables for you guys. Okay, bye.